Top 5 Best Robot Vacuums of 2024. Welcome back to the Gadget Corner, your go-to destination for the latest and greatest in home technology. In today's episode, we're diving into the world of cleanliness and convenience with a lineup that's set to revolutionize the way we think about household chores. Yes, you guessed it. We're talking about the top 5 best robot vacuums of 2024. Gone are the days of manual sweeping and the hassle of dragging around a cumbersome vacuum. The future is here, and it's automated, smarter, and more efficient than ever. From navigating complex layouts to tackling pet hair with ease, these robotic marvels are here to take the grunt work out of cleaning. And because we know how much you love tech that makes life easier, we've meticulously ranked these vacuums from great to absolute best. Plus, for those of you ready to make your home cleaner with the click of a button, we've included Amazon links to each product in the pinned comment and description box below. Stay tuned as we count down to the #1 robot vacuum of 2024 that you definitely don't want to miss out on. Let's dive right in and discover which vacuum has earned the crown of the ultimate cleaning companion, shall we? Kicking off our countdown at number 5, we have the Shark Ion AV751. This vacuum isn't just about keeping your floors spotless, it's about bringing power and convenience right to your fingertips. Imagine not having to worry about everyday dirt and debris, because this machine packs a punch with its powerful suction capabilities. But it doesn't stop there. The Shark Ion AV751 simplifies your life with its self-emptying base, saying goodbye to the hassle of manual bin emptying. And for those who love tech integration, its app control lets you schedule cleanings, monitor progress, and tweak settings from anywhere. Yes, anywhere. What's more, with its dual brush system, it doesn't discriminate between carpets and hard floors, ensuring a thorough clean across the board. And the best part? It delivers all these impressive features at an affordable price, offering unparalleled value. It's the perfect blend of functionality and budget friendliness for those diving into the world of smart home cleaning. Sliding into the number 4 spot with grace and power is the Roomba S9 Plus, a true game changer in the world of robotic vacuums. This isn't just any vacuum, it's a deep cleaning powerhouse, designed to tackle even the most stubborn pet hair and dirt embedded in your carpets. And if you're dreaming of a hands-off cleaning experience, the S9 Plus hears you loud and clear. Its automatic dirt disposal system takes convenience to the next level by emptying its dustbin into the base, meaning you can forget about vacuuming for weeks at a time. But what about those tricky corners and edges that always seem to collect dust? The S9 Plus has it covered with its innovative D-shaped design, ensuring no spot is left untouched. Plus, its advanced imprint mapping technology doesn't just clean. It cleans smart, creating detailed maps of your home for a customized cleaning experience that's efficient and thorough. For those of us who value clean air just as much as clean floors, the S9 Plus's HEPA filter is a breath of fresh air, trapping dust and allergens to make your home a healthier place. With the Roomba S9 Plus, it's not just cleaning, it's about elevating your home's cleanliness and comfort. At number 3, we're thrilled to introduce the Yeedi Cube. A marvel of modern cleaning technology that proves high quality doesn't always have to break the bank. This little dynamo is your ticket to a clean home without emptying your wallet, offering a suite of high-end features at a price that's hard to beat. Don't let its compact size fool you. The Yidi Cube is a master of maneuverability, gliding effortlessly under furniture and squeezing through tight spots with ease. Thanks to its advanced LiDAR navigation, it doesn't just clean, it cleans smart, mapping out your home with precision for an efficient and thorough clean every time. And for those of us with specific cleaning needs, the Yeedi Cube has you covered with multiple cleaning modes. Whether you need a quiet clean or a turbocharged session, this vacuum adapts to your lifestyle. Plus, with smart app control, managing your home cleaning from anywhere has never been easier. Schedule cleanings, track progress, and adjust settings with just a few taps. The Yidi Cube is truly a testament to how smart technology can make life simpler and cleaner, all without stretching your budget. Taking the prestigious second place in our lineup is the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus, a testament to the pinnacle of vacuum technology designed to make your life simpler and cleaner. Imagine a home where vacuuming is not just a task, but a seamless part of your daily routine, thanks to the genius of the Roomba J7 Plus. With its cutting-edge object avoidance technology, this vacuum uses a sophisticated camera and AI to identify and steer clear of everyday obstacles like pet waste and dangling cords, virtually eliminating the risk of messy accidents. It's not just smart, it's thoughtful, keeping your home clean without any hiccups. But the innovation doesn't stop there. The Roomba J7 Plus boasts a self-emptying base, a feature that revolutionizes the way we think about vacuuming. This means you can say goodbye to the constant hassle of emptying the dustbin and hello to weeks of hands-free, worry-free cleanliness. And for those who crave a personalized touch, the J7 Plus is a dream come true. It learns and adapts to your cleaning habits, designing personalized routines that fit your life perfectly. Paired with powerful suction that tackles everyday dirt and dust with ease, and a durable build that promises long-term reliability, this vacuum isn't just working for you, it's working with you. The iRobot Roomba J7 Plus is more than a vacuum. It's your partner in maintaining a pristine home environment. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. Claiming the top spot in our top 5 best robot vacuums of 2024 is the revolutionary Roborock S8 Pro Ultra. This isn't just a robot vacuum, it's a groundbreaking leap forward in home cleaning technology, setting new standards for what we can expect from our cleaning devices. Imagine a device that not only vacuums with unmatched power, but also mops your floors at the same time, tackling both dry and wet messes with unparalleled efficiency. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra does exactly that, saving you time and effort and leaving your home spotlessly clean in one fell swoop. But the innovation doesn't end there. Its self-emptying and self-washing dock is a marvel of convenience, automatically taking care of dustbin emptying and mop washing after every cleaning session. This means less manual work for you and more time to enjoy your pristine home. With its powerful suction, the S8 Pro Ultra effortlessly handles deep cleaning, pet hair, and stubborn dirt, ensuring your floors are not just clean, but deeply cleaned. And thanks to its advanced LiDAR navigation, it maps your home with incredible accuracy for efficient and thorough cleaning every single time. Moreover, its sophisticated AI-driven object avoidance technology ensures that your furniture and valuables are safe as it skillfully navigates around them, preventing any bumps or accidents. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra is not just a cleaning device, it's a smart cleaning companion designed to make your life easier and your home cleaner. Truly, it stands unrivaled at the pinnacle of robot vacuum innovation in 2024. And there you have it, folks, the creme de la creme of robot vacuums in 2024, with the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra leading the pack. Each of these innovative machines offers something special, designed to meet a variety of needs and preferences, ensuring your home stays spotless with minimal effort on your part. Don't forget, if you're ready to bring one of these cutting-edge cleaning companions into your home, check out the links in the pinned comment and description box below. Your purchase through these links helps support the Gadget Corner, allowing us to bring you more of the tech content you love. Thank you for tuning in to today's episode on the top robot vacuums of 2024. We hope this guide has illuminated your path to choosing the perfect robotic assistant for your home. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to stay updated on the latest in gadgetry and tech innovations. From all of us here at the Gadget Corner, happy cleaning, and we'll see you in the next video.